Good morning, students. In previous class we have learnt about dividing 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Now in this class also I will explain same, but in previous class we have learnt the divisor is only below 20 is there, but here in this class we are going to learn about dividing 3-digit number by 2-digit number. The 2-digit number will be greater than 20. Okay, divisor will be greater than 20. For example, 456 divided by 24 is there. 456 divided by 24. Here dividend is 456 and divisor is 24. Dividend 456, divisor is 24. We have to write divisor 24 table here. Okay, to write that I have explained one trick for you in the previous video. In that video I have explained. Look here, to write 24 table we have to write first 24 consists of 2 digits, that is 2 and 4. First we will write 2 table here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Here for 4 table, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Now here we will write as 24 table. Here only one digit is there, so we'll write directly 24. Next here 48. Next this is 2-digit number, with this ones place will be written directly and this tens place added here. 6 plus 1 is 7, so we'll get here 72. Okay, next the ones place will be written directly and the tens place is added here. 8 plus 1 is 9. 0 will be written here directly and this 2 is added here. 10 plus 2 is 12 and 4 is written directly and 2 is added here. 12 plus 2 is 14. 8 will be written directly, 2 will be added here. 14 plus 2 is 16. 2 is written directly, 3 is added here. 16 plus 3 is 19. 6 is written directly and 3 is added here. 18 plus 3 is 21. 0 is written here directly and this 4 is added here. 20 plus 4 is 24. Like this you can write any table. Okay, now we got 24 table. Now we'll do division here. In the middle we'll write dividend 456 and here we'll write divisor. Okay, divisor 24 is there. Okay, now in 24 table we'll get 4. No, so we have to take 2 digits. 45. 45 in 24 table. 45 is there? No. 48 is there. Before 45 which number is there? Yes, 24 ones are 24. So we'll write this 24. 24 ones are 24. We'll write this 1 here and this 24 will be written here. Now we have to do subtraction. Okay, 5 minus 4 is 1 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Remember, always we'll do division from this side only. Okay, we'll not do from ones place, we'll do from this side. Okay, now we got 21. Here 6 is there, so I am writing this 6 here. Okay, we are taking this number down, this digit down. What number we got here? 216. 216. In this table 216 is there? Yes, here it is. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 24 9s are 216. So we'll write 9 here. 24 9s are 216. 216 minus 216, it will be 0. So we got quotient as 19. Quotient is equal to 19 and remainder is equal to 0. Okay, like this we will do divisions. Okay, now I will explain one more example to understand betterly. Okay, look here children, for example 2. 987 divided by 35. Okay, 987 divided by 35. To do this problem, we have to write 35 table here. Okay, now 35 consists of 2 digits, 3 and 5. So we'll write 3 table here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Okay, now we'll write 5 table here. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 6 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Okay, now we have to write 35 table here. Okay, this is single digit is there, so we'll write directly 3 5 35. Okay, next this is 2 digit number is there, so we'll write this ones place 0 here as it is, and this 1 is added here. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, this 5 will write directly, and this 1 is added here. 9 plus 1 is 10. This 0 is written directly, and this 2 is added here. 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, now this 5 is written directly, and 2 is added here. 15 plus 2 is 17. 0 will write directly, and 3 is added here. The number in the tens place will be added here. 18 plus 3, 19, 20, 21. Next 5 is written directly, and this 3 is added here. 21 plus 3 is 24. Next 0 is written directly, and this 4 is added here. 24 plus 4 is 28. Next 5 is written directly, and 4 is added here. 27 plus 4 is 31. Next 0 is written directly, and 5 is added here. 30 plus 5 is 35. Here we wrote 35 table. Okay, now let us do this division. 35 dividend is 987. Okay, 35. In 35 table we'll get 9. No, so we have to take 2 digits. Always we have to do from this side. We have to take 2 digits. 98. In 35 table we'll get 98. No, before 98 which number will get? Yes, 70. 35 twos are. So we'll write 35 twos are 70. Now we'll do subtraction. 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. We got 28 here. Now we'll take this 7 here down. Okay, what number we got? 287. 287. Here 287 is there. No, before that 280 is there. When we get 280? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 35 8s are 280. So we'll write here 8. 35 8s are 280. Now we'll do subtraction. Okay, we have to take same number, otherwise below number we have to take. Okay, always remember here 287 not there, so we took 280. If we take 315 means it will be bigger than 287, so we have to take 280 only. Okay, 35 8s are 280. Now we'll do subtraction. 7 minus 0 is 7. 8 minus 8 is 0 and 2 minus 2 is 0. We got remainder 7 and quotient 28. Therefore, Q is equal to 28 and R is equal to 7. Like this, you have to do divisions of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Okay. Now, look at textbook page number 134. Exercise 9. Divide. Look here, all are above 20 only is there. You have to do this all. In this, I will explain 2 problems for you. Okay. Look here, exercise 9. A question. First bit, A question. 845 divided by 26 is there. 845 divided by 26. To do this problem, we have to get 26 table. We have to write first 26 table. Yes, we'll write like this. 26 consists of 2 and 6. So, we'll write here 2 table. 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 2 10 is 20. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, 6 10 is 60. Now we'll write 26 table here. 26 ones are 26, 2 is written here, 1 added here. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 is written here, 1 added here. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 4 is written here, 2 is added here. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 is written here and 3 is added here. 10 plus 3 is 13. 6 is written here, 3 is added here. 12 plus 3 is 15. 2 is written here and 4 is added here. 14 plus 4 is 18. 8 is written here and 4 is added here. 16 plus 4 is 20. 4 is written here and 5 is added here. 18 plus 5 is 23. 0 is written here, 6 is added here. 20 plus 6 is 26. Okay, here we wrote 26 table. Now we have to do this division. 26, 845. Okay, in 26 table we will get 8 no, 8 is less than 26, so we will take 2 digits, 84. In 26 table we will get 84. No, before that we will get 78. Okay, so we will take this 78. 1 2 3. 26 3 is 78. Now we will do subtraction. 4. From 4 we cannot subtract 8, so we'll take borrow. It will be 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Here 7 will be there. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now we'll take this 5 here down. What is the number? 65. Here 65 is there? No. 52 is there. 52 is less than 65, so we'll take this 52. 26 2s are 52. Now we'll do subtraction. 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. So we got remainder 13 and quotient 32. Q is equal to 32 and R is equal to 13. Okay. Like this, you have to write the table and do the division. Okay. In this bit, I will explain one more for you, that is F1. Okay. 798 divided by 67 is there. To do this problem, we have to write 67 table. Okay. 67 table. First 67 consists of 2 digits and there are 6 and 7. We'll write 6 table here. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Now we'll write 7 table here. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. Now here we'll write 67 table. Okay, 67 we'll write directly. 67 ones are 67. Here 2 digits are there, so we'll write 4 here directly, and this 1 is added here. 12 plus 1 is 13, and 1 will be written directly. 2 is added here. 18 plus 2 is 20. 8 is written directly and 2 is added here. 24 plus 2 is 26, and 5 is written directly and 3 is added here. 30 plus 3 is 33. 2 is written directly and 4 is added here. 36 plus 4 is 40, and 9 is written directly and 4 is added here. 42 plus 4 is 46. 6 is written directly and 5 is added here. 53. 3 is written directly and 6 is added here. 54 plus 6 is 60, and 0 is written directly, 7 is added here. 67. Okay, remember, while you are writing these 6 table and 7 table, you should write in a line. Okay, they should be in the same line, so that you can write this easily and correctly. If you wrote some up and some down, means you will get wrong answer, wrong table. Okay, you have to write this in equal line. Okay, now we'll do division here. 67 798. Okay, look here, 7 is below, less than 67, so we'll take 2 digits. 79. In this table we got 79. No, we got 67. Less than is there, so we'll take this 67. 67 ones are 67. Now we'll do subtraction. 9 minus 7 is 2, and 7 minus 6 is 1. We got 12. Now we'll take this 8 here. Okay, in this table we got 128. No, before that which number is there? If we take 134, it will be greater than 128. So we'll take 67 only. 67 ones are 67. While you are writing these numbers, you should write in a straight line. Okay, now we'll do subtraction. 8 minus 7 is 1, and from 2 we cannot subtract 6, so we'll take borrow. It will be 12. 12 minus 6 is 6, so we got remainder as 61 and quotient as 11. Q is equal to 11 and R is equal to 61. Okay, this is F answer. Like this you have to do this all. Okay, this all are homework for you. I have explained A and F. You have to do the remaining problems. Okay, now I will explain the second bit. Okay, word problems are there. I will explain these 2 word problems. 648 tourists have to be transported from the airport to the railway station in buses. If 24 people can sit in a bus, how many buses will be required? Okay, to do this problem, first we will write the sentences. Look here, children. Tourists, 648 tourists have to be transported from airport to railway station in buses. We'll write like this: number of tourists have to be transported. How many? 648. Okay, now next, number of people can sit in one bus. Number of people can sit in a bus. A bus, or also we can say one bus. How many people can sit in one bus? 24 people. Okay, number of buses will be required. To do this problem, we have to do division. Okay, 648 divided by 24. Remember, always dividend will be greater than divisor. Okay, Now we'll do this here. To do this problem, we have to write 24 table. 648 divided by 24. Okay. 24 ones are 24. 24 twos are 48. 24 threes are 72. 24 fours are 96. 24 fives are 120. 24 sixes are 144. 24 sevens are 168. 24 eights are 192. 24 nines are 216. 24 tens are 240. Okay. Now look here. In 24 table we'll get 64. No. So we'll take 48. 24 twos are 48. Okay. From 4 we cannot subtract 8. So we'll take borrow. It will be 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. This 6 will become 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. And now we'll take this 8 here. In this table we'll get 168. Yes. When we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 24 sevens are 168. So this 27 is the answer. Okay. How many buses are required here? 27. This is second one answer. Okay. You have to write this also, and if I wrote here this table directly, you can also write like this 2 table 4 table, by that you can write. Okay, this is second answer. Now look at third question. In a chocolate factory, 5678 chocolates are produced in a day. They are packed in boxes of 100 chocolates each. How many boxes are packed? How many chocolates are left over? In a chocolate factory, there are 5678 chocolates are produced in a day. In one day, they will produce 5678. Okay. Complete up to here in your fair notes. Okay. Thank you.